Okay, so I'm just going to try and do the thing you requested, just a real quick test to see if we can make an email opt-in form in Divi where you remove the name field and you call it first name. So let's just call this whatever, testing opt-in, just real quick. Then I do the builder. And whatever. Let's see what happens. Just give it a second. I have a bit of a cough, so sorry for that. But this should work. Let's see what happens. So start building. I'm just gonna do a real quick opt-in form here. I'm not gonna really style it because we've already done that, I guess. So now this is the default, right? This is what Divi comes up with when you do an opt-in. Now you can go to design and you can decide that, oops, not design, content actually. So you just have to do this and then you leave it like that, I guess. You can of course do your own custom fields after that, but basically what you want is this, right? It doesn't matter what you did, but look at the settings. Basically all you do is you say design, content, you go into the fields here, and then you just say that you want to keep, you don't want the single name field, you just don't want last name. That's your only problem, right? So yeah, that's about it.